Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Region Bank. Now, I know that Region Bank is a pretty well-known bank, but I'm going to be going over some things you might not know about them. First, I want to start by asking you a question. What is an online bank? An online bank is a bank that does not have any physical branches. Instead, all of their banking is done online or over the phone. This can be a great option for people who are busy, who don't live near a bank branch, or who just prefer to do their banking online. Now, let's get back to Region Bank. Is Region Bank an online bank? The answer is no. Region Bank is not an online bank. They have over 1,600 branches in 20 states across the United States. However, they do offer a variety of online and mobile banking services. So, what are the benefits of using Region Bank? There are a few benefits to using Region Bank. First, they offer a variety of banking products and services, including checking accounts, savings accounts, CDs, mortgages, and loans. Second, they have a large network of branches, so you can always find a location near you. Third, they offer a variety of online and mobile banking services, making it easy to manage your finances on the go. Now, let's take a look at some of the specific products and services that Region Bank offers. Checking accounts. Region Bank offers a variety of checking accounts to choose from, each with its own features and benefits. Some of the most popular checking accounts include the Everyday Checking Account, the Interest-Bearing Checking Account, the Student Checking Account, the Business Checking Account, Savings Accounts. Region Bank also offers a variety of savings accounts to choose from, each with its own features and benefits. Some of the most popular savings accounts include the High Yield Savings Account, the Money Market Account, the Certificate of Deposit, CD. CDs. CDs are a great way to save money and earn interest. Region Bank offers a variety of CDs with different terms and interest rates. Mortgages. Region Bank offers a variety of mortgage products to help you finance your home purchase. They offer both fixed-rate and adjustable-rate mortgages, ARMs. Loans. Region Bank offers a variety of personal loans and business loans to help you with your financial needs. Online and mobile banking. Region Bank offers a variety of online and mobile banking services, making it easy to manage your finances on the go. Some of the online and mobile banking services that Region Bank offers include online banking, mobile banking, bill pay, e-statements, mobile deposits, Zelle, and more. So, is Region Bank a good bank for you? That depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're looking for a bank with a large network of branches, a variety of products and services, and a strong online and mobile banking platform, then Region Bank may be a good choice for you. However, if you're looking for a pure online bank, then Region Bank is not the right choice for you. Overall, Region Bank is a great bank with a lot to offer. I would definitely recommend them to anyone who is looking for a bank that is both convenient and reliable. So, there you have it. That's all I have to say about Region Bank. I hope this video has helped you learn more about this great bank. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos about personal finance. Thanks for watching.